Cuz. What happened to the movie? I'm just a baby. I'm just a baby. What?
It's a fun movie experience.
I know. There said it was a fire.
So why didn't no one leave?
What?
Why didn't no one leave?
What?
Why didn't no one leave?
I don't know. Maybe they told him to get back in.
Just to see guys.
I'm just a baby. Meow.
Hi guys, the movie will resume where I left off within 5 to 10 minutes. They're resetting everything. It was a false alarm. Sorry for the inconvenience. Feel free to talk to us at Box if you need anything. Thank you.